Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you join us on our first site, which is Huemens Bos, and if it pronounced it wrong, I do apologise. I'll put it at the bottom here. Now, this is near Nijmegen, isn't it?
It is, yes it is.
Yeah. What do you think of it so far?
It's a lovely site. I love the pool, but then again that's me, isn't it? So
Yeah.
I've been in it quite a lot already.
Yeah.
I've been for one day out so far, haven't we?
Yep, we have. So what we thought we'd do is show everybody around the site.
Yeah, we'll show everybody around the site, show where we've been so far, and then later on we can show you a few more places.
Yeah. So, stick around. Well folks, that was our trip to Huemens Bos. Hey, I'm getting good at this, aren't I?
You are, you're getting a lot better.
Huemens Bos. And Bos, by the way, means forest.
Yeah.
And I only know that because I checked it on my translator. So yeah, it's a very nice site. What do you think, Juliet?
Well, I've loved the pool.
You've loved the pool.
I've been in every day apart from yesterday, and it really rained yesterday, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. It absolutely tipped it down, but we went out anyway. You've seen on the video, went to the Phillips Museum. It was fantastic, wasn't it?
That was really good. That was really good. Really enjoyed that.
I mean, out of the museums that we've been to, I'd rate the Airborne one, the Phillips Museum, then the Overloon one,
And then the castle.
and then the castle. That's how we vote them. And the reason why we chose to vote them that way is because the others catered for us one speaking language type people, so it had it in English, which was great.
It was
You know.
really good. Or they give us them little, was it
Podcasters. I'll put a picture of them, what they look like. Really clever idea. Just flash it at the actual little symbol, and it tells you in English exactly what it's all about. And I was really impressed. I was chuffed to bits with that. The Overloon one, very quickly, it was fantastic. One of the best museums in terms of size and value for money. But the beginning were the Germans invaded Holland. Was sadly, that was the bit that was lacking for
we could have done
English.
a podcaster for that one.
Yeah.
That would have been
It would.
because I was really interested in it. So
yeah, you could actually put it to your phone, but when I looked at it, it was an hour long, and I thought, well, battery won't last that long.
No,
So
it
we give up with that one and just read what we could and worked the rest out for ourselves. So yeah, that's been good. The shop on the site, I've got to be honest, I think it's seasonal because it's a little disappointing, isn't it?
There's a little bit more in it at the weekend, but I think there's a lot of people that have seasonal pictures on here, or people that come here for, like, is Mario. He came here for 3 months, is it? 3 months.
3 months, yeah.
He comes for, yeah.
Yeah, we met a lovely couple. We can't pronounce his wife's name, but Mario, what a character, made us feel lovely and welcome, as did everybody that's
We have,
done that,
everywhere
you know.
we've gone, everybody's been really pleased. That
Surprised.
We've come to surprised that we've come to their area, but even in the local supermarket, they've which is really good. There's two next to each, has been really good, and they've been so helpful as well.
Yeah,
know.
it has. So all in all, we're really pleased. We're ready to move on. We've tidied up the van now, and took everything out that we don't need, ready for tomorrow. We have to be off for 11.
We took the sun canopy down and everything as well.
Yeah, we have. So we're ready to go, more or less. So we're just having a quiet beer here, celebrating the fact that we've tidied up, as you do. And then we're going to move on in the morning, about 11 o'clock. So our next video will be at Delft Hout, which is actually Delft Wood. So that's where we're going. I'm getting good at this.
You are getting good at
I'm
this.
really pleased. Anyway, thank you very much. I can't tell you what it means in German or Dutch, but thank you very much for now. See you soon, and bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.